What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be playing Horde Rush with the boys, and it should be fun. Haven't played Horde Rush in a year. This is my first game playing it, and yeah, we'll see how we do. So let's get straight into it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn all notifications on so that you can see and watch more of my videos. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, we get by whatever that got the boys. Final video with all the boys on. It took me a while for me to get them all on. Gosh, it was a nightmare. But we got them on, and now we're here. And this video will probably be delayed because, once again, I'm very busy, and it just will be delayed probably. So if you're watching this video, or if it gets posted way past Horde Rush came back, it was supposed to release like on the day or the day after, but it's just that I've been so busy that I couldn't post it. So this is like the only time that I could get the video in. So yeah. Preparing for battle. Almost ready. I got a Deagle and an SMG. I don't know how good the Deagle will be in Horde Rush, but a bunch of people try to get shotguns. If you're playing Horde Rush, don't get shotguns. Get the most amount of spam weapons that you can get, and get the most amount of SMG ammo or AR ammo you can possibly get, or rocket ammo. Anything like that. You don't want any shotguns. Shotguns are useless in this game, and they take way too long to shoot and reload. You want to spam as much as you can. A Deagle, I guess, would be okay for like longer ranges, but like when you're getting, like, see, it's good for long ranges, but like when you're getting attacked, like that, like when you're getting jumped by a bunch of zombies, you want to have a spam weapon to get rid of them all, or the pump gun, or like the rocket. Going into the chest. My chest. Oh yeah, with the drum gun, very useful for hold up, actually, holy crap. I didn't even get more than that. And if you are new to the channel or whatever, and it's like your first video watching, this is my Fortnite squad, the guys that I usually play with, or the guys that are in my videos usually. But I mean, I think I'll rarely have anybody else in my videos besides that's what's lucky. DOZER's videos. Other than that, I'm getting jumped right now. What's the chest? Where the timer is out. Holy crap, I'm getting jumped right now. Oh my god. I'll clear them all out. Round 1 complete. Round 2 is still upon us. Yeah. Oh yeah, everybody that's watching this video, please comment down below Carson is a cutie. And don't ask questions, it's just funny. I really do wish, I'm so stupid, why would I do this? I wish that they could include their audio so that it would be me talking. But I have no idea how to do that. Unless one of you in the comments know how to include the audio in Xbox. Or brush me from feel like I get on movie or something. So weird. I don't know. Makes me feel, I don't know. I'm in a storm and I'm clearing them all out. Okay, I have no... Take it. Shockwave go on. Yeah, see what I'm talking about? Eagle. It hits for a lot, obviously, but it doesn't really, help you much here. "35 seconds till battle starts. Setting up my trap. blow up the boss, because I'm pretty sure the boss spawns there. I'm gonna get up here. Oh shoot, sorry. I think I just ended the clip before my little plan thing actually worked. Why am I lagging so bad? But yeah, I did damage the boss. Still alive. They killed me. Now I'm getting jumped by a bunch of zombies. This is great. And they stole all the loot and retards. Gosh. They died. What's going on? What is going on? Oh, it was like shooting automatically. That thing was glitched. No. It's so stupid. I just ripped it away. And there's Potion. Jackson is just getting jumped right now. Let's go see man hockey. And I'm back alive. Thanks, y'all. Fix the shooting thing. I wouldn't even have died if that stupid thing didn't start. Oh yeah, one of the number one things you want to get with playing Horde Rush is so much fun. And the jetpack. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so good with the jetpack. What's up, Connor? Oh. So many of them. didn't realize this is I respawn. What the heck? Wonder why it said that. I have a feeling it's gonna freeze it, folks. It's like the perfect place to have it on the map because you can like ride on the vines and like shoot them and stuff. That's really cool. And, like I like sit on top of the things. Please do not shoot me down, Jackson. Yeah, take that, silly goose. About to start. The battle's about to start. Spawned it right after my unity. I'm just gonna use all this stuff right now. So like cool. I don't know why. Seems like a light event. Like riding in the vines makes it feel the right thing. About to die. Unibeam. Oh, perfect time. Let's go. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.